Good morning everyone. My name is Purushottam Patel. I am from DIS Raigad. Today we will discuss important topic Indian subcontinent. This topic related to class 9 SST subject. Okay, and this is the portion on geography. So let's start Indian subcontinents. Before starting Indian subcontinent, we will start from history of plate tectonic. History of plate tectonic. So, history of plate tectonic given by Wegener. Wegener said our world in a historical plate, our world have only two parts. First one is Pangaea and second one is Panthalassa. And this Pangaea, after some plates, divide into two parts. First one is Laurentia and second one is Gondwana. Okay. Again, after some times and in a historical rates, Laurentia divides into three separate parts. First one is North America, second one is Europe, the third one is Asia. Okay. And again Gondwana divides into three separate parts: South America, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. Okay, so this is your world, today's world, and this is your equator line, and this is your 23.5 degree north, and this one is 23.5 degrees south. This is the North America, and this one is South America, and this is a part of Africa, and this one is Australia, and this one is Antarctic, and this is Arctic, and this one is Asia, and this one is Europe. Okay, so Laurentia divides into three separate parts. First one is North America, second one is Europe, and third one is Asia. And Gondwana divides into three parts. First one is South America, second one is Africa, and third one is Antarctica and Australia. Okay, and where is India? India located in Asia, but India is not a part of Laurentia Plateau. India is a part of Gondwana. Okay, so India traveled from Antarctica to the upward side. India separated from Antarctica and traveled to the upward side and collide to the European plate. Okay, so India is a part of Gondwana land, and now India located in Asia, but India separated from Antarctica and moves upward side. Okay, so this concept is important, and all the concepts that are given that was by Wegener. Okay, so Wegener concept. Again, one of the important topic of Indian subcontinents, physical division of India. Physical division of इंडिया, भारत का भौतिक विभाजन. ओके, सो सपोज दिस इज our Indian diagrams. So physical division of India divides into 5 parts. Okay, first part is your northern mountain. This is your northern mountain, and second one is northern plain. And this is your coastal area. So this is called eastern coastal plain, and this is your western coastal plain, and this one is part of plateau. So this is called peninsular Plateau. Okay, and this one is Andaman and Nicobar Island, and here located Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island. So, and this is your Thar Desert. Thar Desert. Okay. So, physical division of India. India divides naturally into 5 parts. First one is northern mountain, second one is northern plain, and third one is peninsular plateau, and fourth one is eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain, and the last one is island and desert. Okay, so this is the important concept of physical division of India. In our next class we will discuss about northern mountain, northern plain. Okay, how northern plain form and how our northern mountain form. Okay, so all of you revise the topic plate tectonic that given by Wegener and the physical division of India. Okay, and you also try to make a diagram. Okay, so diagram is a important conceptual things for all the person. Okay, thank you very much.